Sky House by COA Arquitectos in TLAJOMULCO de ZÚñiga, Mexico. The house is located in a subdivision inside a natural forested area. The property has neighbors on each side barely 3 meters apart, while the rear side is next to an oak tree reservation where the view is narrowed only a few meters away because of the trunks and canopies density. The house is both a transitional space between the street city and the forest, and a place refuge from both. Hence the emphasis on the entry experience, to leave behind so that the foyer and the murmur of water welcome us. Crossing the door's threshold, a vestibule faces the staircase that leads to the basement and upper floor. 3 steps beyond, the living room and dining area is open to the right with a straight clear view to the forest. The master bedroom and bathroom share the same view, bring the forest inside. 2 more bedrooms that inhabit the upper floor of the main facade are opened laterally to the exterior through semi-closed courtyards, so that the volume is as least perforated as possible. The house occupies all the lot and adopts its triangular shape. It is proposed as a carved volume to give place to the openings and transition courtyards between the interior and exterior. It is built of only one material, looking for a calm integration with the landscape.